got to feel in heaven when my lover's near. Lord, let this moment last for another year. Though today has ended, the night's still young, I'd say. Lover, don't go away.
Well, they couldn't repair us at Pearl Harbor, so we had to come back to San Francisco for repairs. And we were in the yard for about 3 months when VJ Day hit. And we were loading for the Japanese push. We spent weeks loading aircraft and supplies and non-perishable foods. Tremendous amount, day and night, big trucks pulled up. And we were loading for the invasion of Japan. And of course that didn't happen. 3 days after VJ Day, we started offloading. But it was a tremendous effort. Our air group was going to be one of the first to bomb Japan when we made the initial landing into it.
You can probably already tell this is going to be a very different episode. But to have an opportunity to talk with someone who was not only a Korean War vet, but also a World War II veteran is incredible. His life experience is amazing, and I had to take some time to talk with him about his experiences. And if I make it to be 94 years old, I sure hope I'm using technology as easily as he is. So you want to say that again? What'd you say about 94-year-olds and Teslas?
I don't think there are many 94-year-olds that own a Tesla.
I don't think so either.
But about 15 years ago, I put in solar panels, which I had about 5.5 kW. It supplied better than 50% of my cost. And again, those probably have 10 more years or 15 more, but I decided I wanted to try a Tesla roof. I'm a great Tesla fan.
Because Kim had a career in electromechanical engineering, he absolutely knows his stuff, which has been a huge driving force in his interest in renewable energy. Kim's solar roof has a 12 kilowatt system with great exposure to the sun in the beautiful Denver metro area, which gets a lot of sun year-round. Because he's had previous solar experience, he's confident that he'll easily be able to supply all of his electric needs and supply his surplus energy back to the grid.
I think so far, Weddle has done an excellent job, and I think they're going to finish well ahead of the game. It's really hard today to find a company or a contractor that really will do everything they say they're going to do. And so far, Weddle has stepped up to the plate.